Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You'll start by ensuring Godot 4 is installed and export templates are ready. This avoids build errors later. Next, create a new project in a dedicated folder so assets stay organized, and pick renderer and base resolution to match your target. Once done, add a root scene such as node 2D for 2D or node 3D for 3D, save it as main scene, and set it as the project's main scene. Now you have a working project to script. You will attach a GD script file to your node and implement ready. For initialization and process, delta for per frame updates. This pattern separates setup from runtime logic. Make sure to use signals for decoupled communication. Connect them in the editor or via code to keep components independent. Once comfortable, structure reusable elements as separate scenes and instance them where needed to save work and maintain clarity. This approach keeps complexity manageable as your project grows. Finish by polishing inputs, UI, and performance. Test frequently in the editor while using the remote debugger and print statements to inspect runtime values. Next, configure export presets for your target platform and run an actual build to catch platform-specific issues like input mapping or file paths. If something breaks, first verify node paths and null references. Most bugs are missing nodes or wrong get node.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.